Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my intraday short trades for the day. Both turn out to be profitable, but the second trade, I had to exit early due to a rejection. Let's break it all down. It's been an interesting day in the markets, volatility, clear setups, and great opportunities. I managed to enter two short trades, both of which went in my favor. The first trade was textbook. I noticed a strong resistance level forming on the 1-minute chart. Once the price broke higher low, I entered my short position at 1539.60 that I entered right here, and the price immediately started moving in my direction. My target was a modest 1%, and it hit that perfectly within the next few minutes. I closed the trade with a good profit, no hesitation. It was a clean setup with a smooth exit. Now, let's move on to the second trade. I identified a similar pattern of a rejection off a resistance level. Once again, I entered a short position. The price moved in my favor, but this time, I saw some early signs of rejection near a key support zone. Right here is where I made my exit. I saw a clear rejection, and even though I was still in profit, I didn't want to risk it. So, I decided to close the trade early. Funny thing is, the price continued to drop about 1% further after I exited. But hey, this is part of trading. You'll never get the perfect exit every time. So, what's the takeaway? First, locking in profits is always a smart move. Second, sometimes the market will go further in your direction after you exit, and that's okay. Risk management and sticking to your strategy is what matters in the long run. Overall, two profitable trades today and valuable lessons learned. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe for more intraday trading content. Let me know in the comments how you manage your exits. Do you hold through rejections or do you play it safe like I did today?